Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoop here. So in today's video, I'm going to be going over the new Crypto.com crypto earn rates and the new tiered list system and all of the things that are happening with it. So first off, I highly recommend you go check out the Chronicle.com. It's a crypto Chronos news source that I work for, and I recently released a article talking about the stuff. So I'll go over it in this video, but I also recommend you checking out the article in the description as well, and just checking out our site as we do a lot of Crypto.com and Chronos articles. So, and just projects built on Chronos as well. All right, so Crypto.com just announced their earn rates, and so we'll go over what it means for you as an investor on the Crypto.com platform. So they are lowering their rates by creating a tiered list system, and they're also lowering their stablecoin interest rates. So this will affect you differently based on the card tier you have, what coins you're staking, if you have over $30,000 or not staked on a 1 month or 3 month term. So we'll go over the card tiers. So if you're Ruby Red or below, here's what's changing. The Ethereum current rates for flexible 1 month and 3 month are 2%, 4%, and 6%. And on April 4th, the Ethereum rates will be flexible and 1 month and 3 month will be 3.5%, 4.5%, and 6.5%. So as we can see, it is hiring. The rates are hiring on all of the terms. So that is a benefit for Ethereum users. Now, if you are staking Polkadot or Matic, the current rates are 6%, 8%, and 10%. Those are going down to 5.5%, 8%, and 11%. So if you're doing flexible, it's a negative. If you're doing 3 month terms, you get an extra 1%, so that's good for you. Now, on stable coins, the current rates on Ruby Red or below are flexible 1 month and 3 month for 6%, 8%, and 10%. Well, the new rates on stable coins for flexible 1 month and 3 month will be 3%, 6%, and 8%. As you can see, the flexible is going down by 50% in interest, while the 1 month and 3 month are only going down by 2% each. Now, if you're a Jade Green or Royal Indigo debit card holder, here's what the rates will look like for you. So for Ethereum, the current rates are 4.5%, 5.5%, and 6.5%. The new rates will be 3%, 5%, and 7%. So this could benefit you, not for flexible and not for 1 month, but the new rates on a 3 month term will be beneficial for you as a Jade Green card holder. Now on Polkadot and Matic, the current rates are 8% and 10%, and then 12.5% for DOT and 12% for Polygon. The new rates, they're adjusting it to where Polygon and DOT are the exact same, and the new rates for flexible 1 month, 3 month will be 6%, 10%, and 12.5%. So it's upping the Polygon rates for the 3 month and lowering the flexible by 2%, but keeping the 1 month the same. For stable coins as a Jade Green or Royal Indigo debit card holder, the flexible 1 month and 3 month will be 8% or is 8%, 10%, and 12%. But the new rates for stable coins as a Jade Green card holder for flexible 1 month and 3 month will be 4%, 8%, and 10%. So as you can see, it is lowering by 2% on the 1 month and 3 month term, while the flexible is going down by 4%. Going from 8% to 4% is a huge jump. And I know some people who really like the flexible term for stable coins, so the 8% was really nice, but now it's going to be 4%, which sucks. And so in my opinion, I don't know if really locking your coins for 1 month is really worth it, because if you need, for me, I just think maybe 3 months, might as well do 3 months. But some people prefer a 1 month term, but I don't know. A lot of people don't really like that they're changing it, but let's go over some more stuff. So now that you know what the interest rates are going down to for stable coins, and that's for, the Jade Green, Royal Indigo, and Ruby Red, and all the debit cards. So that's what the list will look like. And obviously, as an Icy White card holder, or Rose Gold, Obsidian Black, the stable coin rates will just be 2% higher than what it shows right here for the Jade Green, because obviously you get the extra 2% paid in CRO. So it would be the new rates for Icy White for the 3 month would be 10% plus 2% paid in CRO. Then 1 month would be 8% plus 2% paid in CRO. And then flexible, you don't get the plus 2%. So flexible as an Icy White, I think it's still 4% on the new rates. I think so, at least. So the other thing that they're doing is a tiered system. A lot of people do not like this. So obviously, first off, before we get into the tiered system, the stable coins have dropped a ton. A lot of people don't really like that the stable coin interest is dropping. and some rates are changing and all that. People don't really like what's happening, but it makes sense. I think they're just doing it because of the market. If we look over here before we go into what the tiered system is, because honestly, I don't think too many people are upset about the stablecoin interest dropping. I think they're more upset about the tiered system on Crypto Earn and how that will affect your earnings, because it'll affect your earnings quite a bit. So Chris Marzulek said on March 4th, "We brought the earn rewards more in line with the market. I encourage all yield hunters to download Crypto.com DeFi wallet and explore yield opportunities that Kronos offers. They are very compelling, and with more than 150 plus projects, they will keep getting better." So he's basically telling people to go use DeFi and use Kronos chain to grow its decentralized chain, and that the centralized finance are lowering the interest rates to be more in line with the market, which probably just means because we're kind of more in a bear market. You can see CROs down a little below 40 cents, which high is like 96 cents, and that's at 40. And just the whole market's kind of down. Bitcoin's at 39,000, Ethereum 2,600. And we can see the stable coins have been getting higher and higher in market cap. A lot of people have been moving to stable coins and probably just earning interest on them. As we're kind of like I don't know if we're in a bear market fully now or a mini bear market or what's going on. But yeah, so the interest rates have changed. And now let me go into the other rate changes. So what happened now is here's the tiered ranking system that Crypto.com is launching April 4th as well, okay? So the new tier 1 and tier 2, it will decrease interest on any deposits over $30,000. So for example, how this will work is, let's say you own $50,000 in USDC and you don't have any card staked, right? So if you deposit $30,000 into USDC and do a 3-month term, you will now earn 10% APR paid out weekly. But let's say you deposit another 20,000 USD. This 20,000 US dollars will get 50% the interest that your $30,000 is getting. Therefore, the 20,000 you deposit will get 5% interest. So if we do the math here, $30,000, right? That'll get 10% interest. So that's for the year. So you get $3,000 a year in interest off of $30,000. But obviously anything above that will not be getting as much. So let's say you had $200,000 in total, right? So that means $170,000 will be getting 5% interest. So that's $8,500 for the year. So that would be $8,500 a year for 5% interest on a 3-month lock on a USD coin, then plus the $3,000 because that came from the $30,000 getting 10% interest. So you'd make $11,500 a year, right? So that's with the updated rates. Now, let's say you had $200,000 currently staking on a 3-month term for 10% interest on the USD coin times 10%. You're getting $20,000 a year. So 20,000 minus 11,500. If I did the math right, you're losing out on $8,500 a year on your $200,000. So obviously, the more money that you stake, the more money you'd be losing out on with the updated rates. So as you can see, a lot of people are pretty annoyed at this. I think the majority of these people who are angry are not only doing stable coins, but also have over $30,000 deposited. I'm not, I haven't really looked into it to see, but the people who are upset about these changes, I'm not sure like what exactly they're upset about, because there's many different things, right? You could be upset about the interest rates dropping in general. You could be mad about the $30,000 max, and some people are mad about the $30,000 max in general. Some people are mad about it because they're mainly using stable coins with it, or they could be just upset for just because it's dropping. Other people are upset just that they're saying it's a shady business practice because it's not very obvious. With this update coming out, at least they gave a month's notice. But it says visit our blog for more details. We're introducing changes to Crypto Earn, and they do a check mark, new tiered Crypto Earn rates. Check mark like that usually is like a positive thing, but that's a negative thing, not a positive. And when you click on here, it just mentions the quota, the tier 1 and tier 2 rates on fixed term allocations. And remember, it's only on fixed term allocations. So for flexible, the 30, you can have more than $30,000 in flexible and get the full amount. But for stablecoins, they're dropping it by 50% on flexible. So it kind of makes sense that they're doing that. So yeah, a lot of people are really angry about that, but they don't see anywhere in here of Crypto.com mentioning that they're lowering the interest rates on stablecoins. They don't mention it here at all. I can't see it anywhere on here. They just mention the tier rates, which mainly people are upset about. That's the main thing. But then, they tried spinning it like it's a positive, so people didn't like that. Um, but yeah, you have to, when it says find more information about crypto earn and revise rates here, you have to click on this and scroll all the way down to see the new rates right here. New reward rates table effective 4th of April. And this shows the new rates. So Bitcoin's the same, Crow's the same. Some of these are the same, so I don't know why they're showing this as new because it's not really new. But yeah, this is where the stable coins show. So a lot of people were upset about that because they didn't know that the interest rates were dropping by so much for stable coins, the update, because it doesn't say it anywhere. And I guess a lot of people are using stable coins and earning a ton of interest on it. So it makes sense that people are upset about it. But yeah, so if you have any questions or comments or anything, leave them down below. Let me know what you think about this update. What do you think about Crypto.com doing this? I think they're trying to, me personally, I think they're just trying to stay sustainable. Obviously they're not trying to be scammers or anything like that. And they're not trying to be a Ponzi scheme. And so, like Chris Marzluck said, they're bringing it more in line with the market. So they're just lowering CFI rates, as a lot of other CFI interest rate, like Celsius and BlockFi, all of them have been lowering interest rates and stuff. So kind of makes sense that they're doing it. It does suck that they could have done it better. They could have, made it not seem like a positive. They could have done some, I don't know. I guess they don't want to make it sound like a negative, but they could have just, I don't know. I think they could have done it a better way, especially with the interest rates on stablecoins. They could have made that more obvious and not hit it down below all the way here. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. So this will affect, okay, let me end this video with saying this will affect you if you own stablecoins and stake them on Crypto Earn. This will affect you mainly, it's a majority or whatever. Also, not just stable coins, but if you have over $30,000 in Crypto Earn on a 1 month or 3 month term, that's the main ways this will affect you. But a lot of people will not be affected as they don't stake for stable coins and they don't have over $30,000, right? Someone might just have like a few $1,000s in Bitcoin staked for 3 months, right? That's not going to affect you at all with the new rates, as Bitcoin rates aren't changing. So it's mainly the whales, the people with tons of money in Crypto Earn and have a ton of money staked, or just people staking for stable coins in general. This will affect them. So a lot of people are getting angry, and it's, generally the people with the icy white and the obsidian black, because they're saying that, or even people with the jade green saying they don't want to upgrade anymore to the icy white, because Crypto Earn, one of the benefits for the debit cards on the icy white and the obsidian black is you can go from $500,000 up to $1 million in Crypto Earn. But some people are saying, why do I want to stake up to $1 million in Crypto Earn when I get capped at $30,000 for the max rewards, and after 10% interest on my stablecoin on a 3 month term for $30,000, after that it gets dropped to 5%. So they're saying, well, I don't want to stake for 5%, because I guess they're saying they can find better interest elsewhere. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more future content. You can join my Telegram as well if you have any questions about this, and also make sure to join the Chronicle Telegram too. I'm very active in there as well. And I'll have this link down in the description as well, so you can go and read this article for yourself. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I think I already said that, and I'll see you all in the next video.